Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this Dyson V12 Detect Slim Vacuum that is cordless. It has a runtime of up to 60 minutes. Alright, so right here we got our Dyson V12 Detect Slim. It says battery usage is up to 60 minutes. This is the Dyson's lightest intelligent cordless vacuum. It doesn't have a push button to turn it on, like a trigger button. It does have the button on top, so you don't have to worry about pushing the trigger button. It has 30% more power, 60 minutes of runtime, power button operated for continuous cleaning, 24% lighter than the Dyson V12. It is engineered to be more economic, effortlessly, and easy to use. This converts to a handheld vacuum so you can clean your cars, couches, and stairways. So you can see that the canister is a lot smaller on this one than it is on the V15, and you do have your attachments. This does have an intelligently power-based and debris detected. It has an LCD screen which shows the total pickup particles on the screen. It also displays the power mode, maintenance alert, and reminding time of how much you have left. They do have 3 different modes. You've got Eco, they've got Auto, and they have Boost. Boost is the one that gives you less time to use, but it does have the most powerful suction. So in this box you have the attachments. This one here, you'll put your attachments and connect it. It also attaches to the back of the vacuum with the power cord and the battery. So in here are some more attachments. This one right here goes to the wall. This one will plug into the back of your vacuum. So you do get a user manual on that one, on the screws, and then you have these little things that go into the wall to make sure that it doesn't strip your screws. You can see that there is a power cord. So here is the first attachment. They have these little red clips. This one right here will lock it into place into your Dyson. And then you have other ones. The attachments have the same clips. So this is the one that you will use mostly when you're vacuuming, so you don't have to bend down. You have this attachment. That is the only attachment that comes that will connect to the head attachments. So this is where this will be connected to that long pole. This is one of the attachments. This one here has a rubber head. So this one here gets a lot of the hair off. And then it has like bristles, and then this is like rubber on the bottom. You have another one that is more felt. That one is another good thing. That one does come with a light, and it detects all the dirt and debris that's on your floors that you cannot see with any other vacuum. This one is the couch attachment, also the stairways. You can do your car with this one. So this is more of the hand attachment. This one is really strong. It is really nice. It does have the same as the first head. You can see that it is a really high plastic, and it has gotten the bristles here at the top. So this attachment is the fluffy Optic. This is the cleaner head that reveals invisible dust. So I know I cleaned and vacuumed my floor and I mopped, and I could not believe how much this actually showed me how much hair and dust was on my floor. So this one does expose all the dirt and debris. If you think it's clean, this right here will show you that it is not clean, but this does pick up everything. This is a really nice fluffy head adapter. So you have other extra attachments. This one here, you can get the crack and crevices around your house. Again, they have the locking thing. And then this one here I actually use to clean my car. I like the fact that this vacuum is got a lot of attachments. It has a power on the top of the vacuum. It is super powerful. You do get a filter that is washable, so you can rewash it, reuse it as many times as you want. So what I'm going to do is put one of the heads on it. I'm going to start vacuuming. So you can see that I switched from different modes. The LCD screen displays the total particles picked up and the runtime countdown as you clean. So right here it's shown this is the auto, there's the boost. The boost does not last very long, but it is the most powerful suction. It does clean up a lot more. It does more of the deep cleaning. So right now you can see that I'm vacuuming my hardwood floors. This one does go from hardwood floors to carpet to tile with no issue. I like the fact that it has a single button for the power control. I don't have to hold a trigger, and I can swap hands while navigating and moving around. I don't have to hold that. It is easy, hygienic emptying. I don't have to touch the dirt that's inside the canister. All I gotta do is push this little red button on the back and it slides right down. I love the fact that it gives me 3 cleaning modes. The 3 cleaning modes are optimized for a variety of tasks. It has the right balance of power and runtime whenever I need it. You can see that I've gone from hardwood floor to this carpet. This is a thick carpet. It's got more like wool, and then I'm just gonna roll it back onto my hardwood floor. It picks up everything with no issues. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it into my kitchen, which it has hardwood floor and tile, so you can see that it's picking up. I like the fact that it gives me several attachments, the 2 advanced cleaning heads, the Dyson dust illumination cleaning heads, which also reveals all the dirt, and then you have the other one, which is the one that I'm using right now. This one is super nice. It picks up anything, and you can see like the different modes. It gives you different times for cleaning. Like the boost mode, I think it gives you only 5, where the eco you can go up to 60 minutes, and the auto is like 30 to 40 minutes. You can see all the debris that is in this canister. This canister is a lot smaller from the V15, but it does basically the same thing. The only thing is you have to might clean out the canister a lot faster depending on how dirty your house is, but that has no bearing on me. It doesn't matter how big the canister is. I like the fact that it gives you all these attachments. You can see that it picks up really well. This has a sensor that is continuously sized and counts dust particles. So right here you do get a rechargeable battery, so it plugs in just like this. If you want to charge it, you can also charge it while it's in the vacuum, but I like charging it this way. To me it seems like it's a little bit faster. So when it's charging, these 2 blue lights on the side, it will flash. When it's completely finished, they will turn solid. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the other head. This one here has the green light that does show you all the particles. Mind you that I did clean this earlier today. I used this vacuum, and you can see that there's still particles. I've swept, I've mopped, and I've vacuumed with my other vacuum. It still shows there's more particles that are on my floor. So now if I take this away, you won't be able to see that there, but with this green light it does show you. Look at all this stuff that is on the floor, and it is picking it up. I like the fact that it does show you, so you can make sure that your floor stays nice and clean. I love this. It does pick it up. It's not so hard for the floor, so it's more of a soft bristle. I would definitely say if you're looking for a nice vacuum that does a lot of picking up, that cleans many different floor types, hardwood floor, carpet, tile, this is the one. You can see all the debris that this has picked up. This one is lightweight. It is only about 5 pounds. It is the remake of the V15. This is the V12 direct slim cordless vacuum. Just because it's slim doesn't mean that it's not powerful. This one here is super powerful. I like the fact that it goes from many different floor types, hardwood floor, tile, carpet. This one is about 5.5 pounds. If you're looking for a nice, strong, powerful vacuum, I would highly recommend checking out this Dyson vacuum.